We have to go. Now. Where? It's not safe. Anywhere but here. Move! All right, stay close. They're coming! Run!
Just $1. What can I do with this? It's not enough. I need more.
Please, I haven't eaten in days. I can spare a little. Bless you, sir. Thank you. This is too much.
Please, I need your help. They're after me. I don't have anything for you. Just a little, I'm begging you. You gotta go. I can't help.
Another night.
Hey, please, sir. Can you help me? Here you go. Take care.
Thank you. God bless you.
What do you want?
Just to help. Let me give you a ride.
Why would you do that?
Because you look like you could use one. Come on. All right. Thank you.